Hey friends, I hope you're having a great night. I am about to head out to dinner with my husband, and it occurred to me I could make a quick video for you guys because I get asked all the time if I ever wear synthetic wigs anymore, because I have a bunch of human hair wigs that I absolutely love and I share them fairly regularly. And the answer is absolutely yes. I do wear synthetic wigs often. The wig I'm wearing is a heat-friendly synthetic wig by Ellen Villa called Leah 2. This is in the color Coffee Brown Rooted. And this one is a perfect example of why a synthetic can have a place in your wig wardrobe, even if you love human hair. I would really struggle to find a style like this in a human hair wig. I could have someone custom cut one for me with the razored blunt edges, but I would constantly be battling the humidity and frizziness to keep it straight and smooth like this. Tonight, I decided I wanted to wear this wig 10 minutes ago, and I grabbed it out of this Ziploc baggie that it was in. Synthetics are super easy to store. Just throw it in a Ziploc bag and throw it in a drawer. All you're gonna have to do is pull it out of the bag, shake it out, and put it on. That's all I had to do. I ran a brush through it, comb through it, and that's all I had to do. So while human hair can be amazing and super realistic, so can synthetic. And I definitely think there's a place for all types of wig fibers.